Okay, so here's your system and what it looks like when you first start. So there are two things that you can do. First of all, you have the on-off for the display, and then you have the sources that you can select from. You'll see down here that each source is labeled HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. You can hook up two display sources as well as audio sources. And those audio sources, as you just heard, will play through even if the video is not turned on. So even if the display is off, you can still have audio turning on and off. So here's how you do it. You just press on, select which source you're plugged into, and then you have an audio control here that goes up and down. On the right side, there's a freeze button, which is the same as on your remote. So if you put something up on the screen and you press freeze, the image will stop moving and stay there, and you can go to anything else on your computer. You also have, and you tell when it's on or off based on whether it turns red. And then you also have a mute, which stops all audio. And that will also happen when you have an announcement. Your audio will automatically be muted while announcements are happening and then come back on and off. So that's basically the in and out of your system. If you want to use a secondary source, so say you have a document camera down here, you just plug it into HDMI 2, and then you can go ahead and work on it from there. You don't need to worry about this IR in out, just ignore that. When the green light comes on, that means that a signal is being broadcast. When it has an amber light, that means it is. Hopefully that answers all your questions. You should be good to go.